mind is, we have completed up to question number 24. Look at the question number 25 from exercise 5.2. It says 9 pens and 5 pencils cost us rupees 32 and 7 pen and 8 pencil cost us rupees 29. Find the unit price of each pen and pencil. Let the unit price of pen be X and unit price of pencil be Y. So according to the question, first situation is 9 pen. So 9x plus 5 pencil. So 5y is equal to 32. This is the situation number 1. And the second situation is 7 pens, 7x, 8 pencil, 8y cost us rupees 29. This is the situation number 2. Now, if we want to eliminate y, we have to get the LCM of 8 and 5, that is 40. So, what we can do? 72x plus 40y is equal to 256. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 and 1 25. We got it 1 into 8. Now this has to be multiplied with 5. 35x plus 40y. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10 and 4 40. Equation number 4. We got it 2 into 5. Now subtracting, because this sign is the same, so this is eliminated. 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 3, 37x is equal to 1, 1 and 1. Is it? Subtracted 4 from 3. Or x is equal to, we have got 111 by 37, or x is equal to rupees 3, or only 3 if you write. Placing x, value of x in 1. So 9 into 3 plus 5y is equal to 32, or 27 plus 5y is equal to 32, or 5y is equal to 32 minus 27. 5y is equal to 5, or y is equal to 5 by 5. Y is equal to 1. So the cost of pencil will be 1 rupee and cost of pen is 3 rupees. So the answer we can write on the top. Just I am writing on the top. Unit price of pen. Unit means for 1. Price of pen is equal to rupees 3, and unit price of pencil is equal to rupees 1. Means 1 pen we can get in 3 rupees and 1 pencil we can get it in 1 rupee. This is question number 25. Please write it. Next we have question number 26, where it says Sunil and Kafil both have some oranges. If Sunil gives 2 oranges to Kafil, then Kafil will have thrice as many as Sunil. And if Kafil gives 2 oranges to Sunil, then they will have same numbers of oranges. How many oranges does each have? So let Sunil has X oranges and Kafil has Y oranges, is it? We can go for it. Look at number 26, question number. Let Sunil has X oranges and Kafir has Y oranges. According to the question, if Sunil gives 2 oranges to Kafil, so Sunil was having X, he is giving 2 oranges to Kafil, so he will have X minus 2. And Kafil was Y, he is getting 2 oranges, so he will have Y plus 2. Then the situation says Kafil will have thrice the oranges Sunil have. So 3 into X minus 2 will be equal to the oranges Kafil is having after giving 2 oranges by Sunil. Now we'll solve it. 3x minus 6 is equal to y plus 2, or 3x minus y is equal to plus 2 plus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 8. Situation number 1. Once again I am saying you, Sunil was having X oranges and Kafil was having Y oranges. According to the question, it says Sunil is giving 2 oranges to Kafil. Now Sunil will have 2 oranges less than what he had previous. So we have done X minus 2, and Kafil will having 2 oranges more what he had previously. So Kafil will have Y plus 2. Now it says Kafil's orange is equal to the thrice of Sunil's orange. So 3 into X minus 2 would be equal to Y plus 2. Then we have formed an equation. Second situation says, if Kafil gives 2 oranges to Sunil, they will have equal number of oranges. Again, now Sunil is getting 2 oranges, and who is giving? Kafil is giving 2 oranges. So they will have equal number of oranges. So Kafil will have left oranges Y minus 2, and Sunil will have X plus 2 oranges. Now we'll solve it. X minus Y is equal to minus 2 minus 2. X minus Y is equal to minus 4. Situation number 2. Now both we have single Y, so we can eliminate. 3x minus y is equal to 8. This is 1. X minus y is equal to minus 4. This is 2. Though they same sign, so we have to subtract. So y is eliminated. I am left with 2x is equal to 12. Subtracted 2 from 1, or x is equal to 12 by 2, x is equal to 6. Now I am coming up. Placing the value of x in 2. X is 6 minus y is equal to minus 4, or minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 6, or minus y is equal to minus 10, or y is equal to 10. So Sunil had 6 oranges and Kafil has had 10 oranges. This would be the final answer, is it? From here we have come here. These are the surroundings. So you write down, we have found the value of x. Up we have placed the value of x to get the value of y. Once the value of y is found, I have written, though Sunil had x oranges, so Sunil will have 6 oranges, and Kafil had y oranges, so Kafil had 10 oranges. You can see now, if Sunil gets 2 oranges, he is left with 4, and Kafil will have 12. So 4 3s are 12. It's okay. My answer is correct. And if Kafil gets 2 oranges, he will left with 8, and Sunil will have 8. It means our answer is correct. So you leave it up to here today. Just you can see every day I am teaching only 2 or 3 sums, not more than that. So you can understand it well. There should not be any confusion later. But still the views are very less. You are not paying attention on the class. So dear, that will be very difficult to finish your work. So kindly pay attention in the class, solve your sums, and if there is a doubt, let me know. Okay. For today, you leave it up to here. Thank you, class.